Zamani Pizza Vusele, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Vuyokazi, who is Sibindi Mseleko's the first baby mama, cost is seen after sharing this picture on Instagram story and also tag her man, who is Sibindi Mseleko. For those who don't know, Sibindi Mseleko is Musam Mseleko and Mayeni, the second wife of Musam Mseleko's son, firstborn of Mayeni, guys. But anyway, people were really not happy with Vuyokazi, and somebody says that she only got pregnant because she saw how Uspindi was treating Tirelo. For those who don't know, with Tirelo, it's the second baby mama, hashtag wife, whatever it is. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Another one says that they love the way I love you, Shem, I will not wish this for you, meaning that they don't wish to see her pregnant for baby number 2 so that she can get the attention from Sibindi. First of all, we all know that Usbindi really mentioned that he loves a woman and he's not willing to change very soon. Whether you get pregnant or no matter what, how many babies you're going to give him, it's a waste of time. Probably he will get another girlfriend very soon. So Vuyokazi should be concentrating on her books, because this lady, she's still young. Remember, this boy is 22 years old, so it means that you're not gonna waste time with this kind of a man, because you already know that there's a possibility that number 3 it is coming the same way his father, number 5 it is coming. So people were really not happy with Vuyokazi, and others were really saying that congratulations, we hope you have a smooth and healthy pregnancy. Others were just saying, you know what, Tandone, and some were saying more congratulations, both of you. May God guide you, Vuyokazi, where to you got this. And some were saying Mamkulu, and some were saying why you, Vuyokazi, no matter why are you doing this, and some it is no cute Photoshop like Tirelo, and therefore some were saying that she's copying Tirelo, guys, and it is sad. It is very sad, the fact that they still compare with Tirelo. Remember, Tirelo is number 2. I don't know if Tirelo had this picture, so I'm just gonna go to Tirelo's to see if she really have the same picture with his Bindi, because we want to know the truth. We want to know the truth. So I'm just gonna go and check Tirelo, because yeah, here is Tirelo. I'm gonna go to check her pregnancy photo shoot to see if this picture it was true now. Okay, it is. Yeah, I think they do look alike, but this one is totally different. I don't see anything wrong with that. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe to